My name is Manon. I work at WeWork. I brought Anthony and his company, me&my Wellness, into our building because at WeWork we strive to create a community for people, and he just embodies every characteristic that comes with that. After having a couple of his sessions in our space, I then decided to reach out to him personally and have a session one-on-one with him. I went into it sort of quite open-minded, and then ended up coming out with a whole lot of questions answered, a lot of things to do with hormones and just overall health.
The workshop opened my eyes really to what different foods can do for a person and the healing power of different foods. So I started to think at the workshop that me&my Wellness could really help me.
We have engaged with other health experts. The difference that I find with Anthony is that he's so personable. He just knows how to connect with every single person in the room. Doesn't matter what their age is, what their gender is, he just knows exactly how to connect with that person. I organise the space for him, and he will present to a whole bunch of different companies that we have in here. And it's so interesting to hear all the feedback afterwards from people. Maybe it's their first lunch and learn or their first seminar that they weren't really expecting to go to, and they come out with just such great feedback and they want to see him again.
When I met me&my Wellness, Anthony was doing a group session. It was a sleep one. It was really helpful. It was about an hour, but a few of my team actually went along to that seminar as well, which they found very beneficial.
He's always come in here physically and been in our space to build that connection with people and to present to a whole bunch of different people. But of course, when COVID-19 hit, we couldn't be providing events in our space anymore. So we really wanted to adapt with what's happening right now and change the way that he is presenting to people and also the topics. We did ones that were relating to working from home and the health at home and how people are dealing with a lot of mental situations that they would be going through, not being in social settings and things like that. So I know that he really did touch on that, which was great to see, and I know a huge help for a lot of different people. He doesn't just work in my space, but he works in a whole bunch of different spaces, gets everyone, connected on that level, and we're all about bringing that community together. That's why we keep using him.